How to delete Wi-Fi network profile from Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application. So simply use the shortcut key Window plus I to open Settings. Once in Setting application, from the left hand side menu go to Network and Internet. Then after you will see the option Show Available Network. Simply click on the drop down menu and there you can simply see all the available network in your area. So as to delete the network profile from your computer, you simply need to go to Manage. After that, in Manage Known Network, you will see the list of network that has been connected once in your device. Simply click on Forget beside the network name and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.